GST, Goods and Services Tax, an Indian Contract Act 1872. Kerala PSC question paper for departmental exam, PSC exams, UPSC exams, UGC NET exams, SET in service exams, degree PG level exams, and various other exams. MCQ, multiple choice questions. Question number 1. Upon successful payment, a CIN will be generated by the authorized bank and will be shared electronically. This will get credited in the dash of the concerned DDO in the GSTN portal. Answer: Electronic Cash Ledger. Question number 2. How should the DDO maintain record of all TDS deductions made by him during the month? Answer: Register as per proforma given M annexure A. Question number 3. The dash shall log in into the GSTN portal and generate the CPIN. Answer: DDO. Question number 4. What are the modes available to the DDO while generating CPIN? Answer: Option A, NEFT, Option B, RTGS, Option C, OTC, Option D, all of the above. Correct answer: Option D, all of the above. Question number 5. All the DDOs in the government who are performing the role as deductor have to register the common portal and get the dash. Answer: GST identification number, that is GSTIN. GST identification number. Question number 6. Dash number is a unique reference number provided by the user's bank for each NEFT RTGS transaction made by the account holder. Answer: Unique Transaction Reference. UTR, Unique Transaction Reference. Question number 7. RTGS can be done for a minimum of dash up to any amount without limits. Answer: INR 2 lakh. INR 2 lakh. Question number 8. What is the due date for issue of TDS certificate? Answer: within 5 days from the date of payment of TDS. Question number 9. In which form will the deductor furnish TDS certificate to the deductee? And option A, GSTR 7A, option B, GSTR 7, option C, GSTR 8A, option D, GSTR 8. Correct answer: option A, GSTR 7A. I repeat question number 9. In which form will the deductor furnish TDS certificate to the deductee? Answer: GSTR 7A. Question number 10. In case of individual bill-wise deduction and deposit, the DDO will have to deduct and deposit the TDS for each bill individually by generating dash. Answer: CPIN. Question number 11. The DDO shall prepare the bill based on dash. Answer: the expenditure sanction. Option A, the expenditure sanction. Option B, the capital sanction. Option C, the budget sanction. Option D, the cost sanction. Correct answer: option A, the expenditure sanction. Question number 12. The expenditure sanction prepared by the DDO shall contain A, total amount, B, net amount payable to the supplier, and C, dash. Answer: 2% TDS amount of GST. I repeat answer: 2% of 2% TDS amount of GST. 2% TDS amount of GST. Question number 13. The challan generated on the portal shall be valid for dash. Answer: 15 days. 15 days. Question number 14. The interest rate on GST, if not specified anywhere, shall be treated as dash and not as dash. Answer: simple rate, compound rate. I repeat, question number 14. The interest rate on GST, if not specified anywhere, shall be treated as simple rate and not as compound rate. Question number 15. If you have generated but dash in a given tax period amounting to INR 10,000, the system will not let you generate any more OTC challan until the unpaid challans automatically expire or cancelled by the taxpayer. Answer: unpaid OTC challans. Question number 16. Next question number 16. The DDO shall generate TDS certificate through the GST portal inform GSTR 7A after filing of dash. Answer monthly return. Question number 17. In which of the following options TDS required to be mentioned in the bill for booking in the suspense head? Option A, individual bill-wise deduction and its deposit by the DDO. Option B, bunching of deductions and its deposit by the DDO. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer, option B, bunching of deductions and its deposit by the DDO. Question number 18. At the time of deposit of TDS amount, the DDO will prepare the CPIN for the amount dash. Answer, booked under the suspense account. Booked under the suspense head. Question number 19. Who instructs the DDO to follow the procedure for payment of GST TDS? Answer, Department of CG. Question number 20. What are the options provided for payment process of TDS under GST? Answer, option A, generation of challan for every pay made during the month. Option B, bunching of TDS deducted from the own weekly, monthly or any periodic manner. Option C, either A or B. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer, option C, either A or B. Question number 21. What is the, I repeat, either answer, either A or B. That is either A, generation of challan for every pay made during the month, or option B, bunching of TDS deducted from the own weekly, monthly or any periodic manner. Either A or B. Then next question. Question number 21. What is the full form of DDO? Answer, Drawing and Disbursing Office. Question number 22. In the bill prepared by the DDO, which of the following shall be added? Answer, the net amount payable to the contractor and 2% as TDS. Question number 23. In case of the OTC mode, the DDO will have to request the payment authority to issue dash. Answer, A category government check. Question number 24. The operator collecting tax as TDS are liable to deposit such amount with the government by the dash. Answer, 10th of the next month. Question number 25. The operator collecting tax as TCS are liable to deposit such amount with the government in form dash. Answer, GSTR 8. Question number 26. The supplier who has supplied the goods or services or both through the operator shall claim credit in his dash. Answer, electronic credit ledger. Question number 27. Can a supplier take credit of the TCS? Answer, yes, on the basis of a valid return filed by the e-commerce operator and there is no discrepancy in the returns. Question number 28. In case where there is discrepancy in statement furnished by the operator with the suppliers furnished by the concerned supplier, and where such discrepancy is not rectified by the supplier or the operator, the amount of discrepancy shall be dash. Answer, added to the output tax liability of the concerned supplier in the return of the next month. Then question, what is the rate of tax for tax collected at source? What is the rate of tax for tax collected at source? Answer, 0.5% each CGST and SGST. Question number 30. The statement furnished by the operator shall be tallied with the supplies furnished by the concerned supplier. If differences exist between the supplies furnished by the operator and supplier, then such discrepancy shall be communicated to dash. Answer, option A, the supplier. Option B, the operator. Option C, both A and B. Option D, GST Council. Correct answer, both A and B. That is, correct answer, option C, both A and B. That is, the supplier and the operator. Question number 31. Digital signature certificates, DSC, are the digital equivalent, that is, electronic format of dash. Answer, physical or paper certificates. Question number 32. Issuance of TDS certificate must be done within dash days from the date of making payment to the government, whereas the payment to the government should be done within dash from the expiry of relevant period. Answer, 5 and 10. I repeat, question 32. issuance of TDS certificate must be done within 5 days from the date of making payment to the government, whereas payment to the government should be done within 10 from the expiry of relevant period. Question number 33. What is the net value of taxable supply which TCS is collected? Answer. Aggregate taxable supplies excluding services notified under section 9 subsection 5 and supplies returned to the suppliers. Question number 34. Value for the purpose of GST needs to be taken dash of GST. Answer. Excluding. Question number 35. Dash is liable to pay TDS to the government. Answer. Deductor. Question number 35. Dash is liable to pay TDS to the government. Answer. Deductor. Question number 36. Deductor is required to file dash returns. Answer. Bi-monthly. Question number 37. What is the rate of interest on the defaulted supply arisen as of the discrepancy in statement furnished by the operator with the supplies furnished by the concerned supplier? Answer. 18%. 18%. Question number 38. Once choose the option to file returns on quarterly, monthly basis, it can be changed at the dash. Answer. Beginning of every year. Question number 39. Change in option to file returns on quarterly, monthly basis will be allowed only once in a dash. Answer. Financial year. Question number 40. Input Service Distributor ISD, tax deductor and tax collector are required to file return dash. Answer. Monthly. Question number 41. Which section deals with the TDS provisions in GST? Answer. Section 51. 5.1. Question number 42. Which section deals with the TCS provisions in GST? Answer. Section 52. 5.2. Question number 43. GST returns are to be filed. Answer. Electronically. Question number 44. Invoice-wise details of supplies made by taxable person are filed in dash. Answer. GSTR 1. Question number 45. Return is dash for taxable persons with a turnover exceeding rupees 1.50 crores and dash for taxable persons with a turnover up to rupees 1.50 crores. Answer. Monthly, quarterly. I repeat. Question number 45. Return is monthly for taxable persons with a turnover exceeding rupees 1.50 crores and quarterly for taxable persons with a turnover up to rupees 1.50 crores. Question number 46. Tax invoices and credit debit notes can be uploaded only by dash. Answer. Supplier of goods or services or both. Question number 47. In proposed return structure, invoices can be uploaded by supplier on dash basis. Answer. Option A daily, option B monthly, option C weekly, option D any of the above. Correct answer. Option D any of the above. Question number 48. Which form is filed by the DDO as the monthly return? Answer. GSTR. Answer. Option A GSTR 5, option B GSTR 6, option C GSTR 7, option D GSTR 8. Correct answer. Option C GSTR 7. Question number 49. In case of bunching of deductions, the DDO shall prepare the bill for answer bunched TDS amount. Question number 50. Notices of tender in newspapers by government or other bodies are answer invitation to offer. Question number 51. Dash is expression of initial intention. Answer. Option A invitation to offer. Question number 52. Dash is expression of final willingness to perform promise. Answer. Offer. I repeat question number 52. Dash is expression of final willingness to perform promise. Option A invitation to offer. Option B offer. Option C proposal. Option D acceptance. Correct answer. Option B offer. Question number 53. A bid at auction sale is dash. Answer. An expression offer to buy. Question number 54. Specific offer can be accepted by dash. Answer. Only by person to whom it is made. Question number 55. Which of the following is example of invitation to make an offer? Option A. Railway timetable showing the timing of trains and respective fares. Option B, issue of prospectus by a public company inviting the public to subscribe for share or debenture. Option C, distribution of price list by a seller. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, option D, all of the above. Question number 56. An offer comes to an end. Option A, by communication of notice of revocation by the offerer. Option B, lapse of time. Option C, by non-fulfillment of a condition presented by offeree. Option D, any of the above. Correct answer, option D, any of the above. Question number 57. An offer continued to exist. Option A, by death or insanity of the offerer. Option B, if a counter offer is made. Option C, if an offer is not accepted according to the prescribed or usual mode. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer, option D, none of the above. Question number 58. A tender will be irrevocable where option A, tenderer has for some consideration promised not to withdraw. Option B, there is a statutory prohibition against withdrawal. Option C, either A or B. Option D, neither A or B. Correct answer, either A or B. That is, a tenderer has for some consideration promised not to withdraw, or there is a statutory prohibition against withdrawal. Question number 59. Acceptance. 1. May be expressed. 2. May be implied. 3. Need not be communicated. 4. Inferred from the circumstances of the case. Select the correct answer from the opting given below. Answer 4, 2 and 1. Correct answer 4, 2 and 1. That is 4. Inferred from the circumstances of the case. Then 2 may be implied. Then 1 may be expressed. Then next question number 60. General offer can be accepted by answer any person from public to whom the communication offer reaches. Question number 61. Acceptance must be given dash. Answer option A, within 1 year from the date of receiving offer. Option B, within prescribed time. Option C, if no time limit is prescribed, it must be given within a reasonable time. Option D, B or C. Correct answer, option B or C. That is, within prescribed time, or if no time limit is prescribed, it must be given within a reasonable time. Then question number 62. Consideration must move at the desire of answer promiser. Question number 63. Consideration need not be answer adequate. Question number 63. Consideration need not be dash. Option A, promise. Option B, promiser. Option C, debtor. Option D, third party. Correct answer, option B, promiser. Question number 63. Consideration need not be dash. Sorry, I repeat. Question number 62. Consideration must move at the desire of dash. Answer option A, promisee. Option B, promiser. Option C, debtor. Option D, third party. Correct answer, option B, promiser. Question number 63. Consideration need not be dash. Option A, inadequate. Option B, adequate. Option C, less than consideration that other party has received. Option D, more than consideration that other party has received. Correct answer, option B, adequate. Question number 64. When two parties make identical offers to each other, in ignorance of each other's offer, the offers are dash. Answer, cross offers. Question number 65. An offer comes to an end when answer if acceptor fails to fulfill a condition precedent. Question number 66. An offer comes to an end. Option A, by changing law. Option B, by non-fulfillment of condition precedent by offeree. Option C, by communication of notice of revocation by the offerer. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, option D, all of the above. Question number 67. Past consideration is valid in answer. Option A, England only. Option B, India only. Option C, neither England nor India. Option D, both England and India. Correct answer, option B, India only. Question number 68. The agreement may be treated as of no effect and it will then be known as answer, void agreement. Question number 69. The law may give the party aggrieved the option of getting out of his bargain. That is to say, contract which is enforceable at the option of one party but not at the option of other party are known as answer, voidable contract. Question number 70. Mr. X offered to reward to anyone who will return his lost dog. Mr. A bring the dog to Mr. X without having heard of the offer. Mr. A is not entitled to the reward since answer, acceptance cannot precede the offer. Question number 71. A tender to supply goods as and when required amounts to a dash. Answer, standing offer. Question number 72. A standing offer is also known as dash. Answer, continuing offer. Question number 73. Consideration is one of the dash element to support a contract. Answer, essential. Question number 74. Which GSTR form can be used as reference to file GSTR 4 by composition dealers? Answer, GSTR 4A. Question number 75. Which GSTR form can be used as reference to file GSTR 3? Option A, GSTR 1. Option B, GSTR 2. Option C, GSTR 4A. Option D, both A and B. Correct answer, both A and B, that is GSTR 1 and GSTR 2. Question number 76. What is the due date of filing GSTR 3B? Answer, 20th of the month succeeding the tax period. Question number 77. Which details shall be furnished in GSTR 3B? Option A, summary of outward supply. Option B, summary of inward supply. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer, both A and B. That is summary of outward supply and summary of inward supply. Question number 78. How much late fee shall be levied for delay in filing of annual return GSTR 9? Answer, option A, rupees 200 per day. Option B, option B, 0.2 percentage of turnover. Option C, A or B, whichever is more. Option D, A or B, whichever is less. Correct answer, A or B, whichever is less. That is rupees 200 per day or 0.2 percentage of turnover, 0.25 percentage of turnover. I repeat, rupees 200 per day or 0.25 percentage of turnover, whichever is less. Question number 79. What is the date of final return of GST on cancellation of registration of normal registered person? Answer, option A, within 3 months of date of cancellation. Option B, date of order of cancellation. Option C, A or B, whichever is earlier. Option D, A or B, whichever is later. Correct answer, option D, A or B, whichever is later. That is within 3 months of date of cancellation or date of order of cancellation, whichever is later. Question number 80. Which GST form shall be used to file final return on cancellation of GST registration of normal registered person? Answer, GSTR 10. Question number 81. What is the turnover limit for registered person for GST audit? Answer, rupees 2 crores. Question number 82. Which GSTR form shall be filed by registered non-resident taxable person? Answer, GSTR 5. Question number 83. What is the due date of filing GSTR 5 by registered non-resident taxable person? Option A, within 20 days after the end of calendar month. Option B, within 7 days after the last day of registration period. Option C, A or B, whichever is earlier. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer, option C, A or B, whichever is earlier. That is within 20 days after the end of the calendar month or within 7 days after the last date of registration period, whichever is earlier. Question number 84. What is the due date of payment of GST by registered person whose aggregate turnover does not exceed rupees 1.50 crores and who has opted for composition scheme? Answer 18th of the quarter succeeding the tax period. Question number 85. What is the due date of payment of GST by registered person whose aggregate turnover exceeds rupees 1.50 crores? Answer 20th of the month succeeding the tax period. Then question number 87. In which GST form annual return shall be filed? Answer GSTR 9. Question number 88. Which GST form shall be used for GST audit? Answer GSTR 9C. GSTR 9C. Question number 89. What is the normal due date of filing GSTR 9? Answer 31st December following the end of financial year. Question number 90. Which GST form shall be used to file annual return by composition dealers? Answer GSTR 9A. Question number 91. Which of the following shall be considered as goods for the purpose of GST? Option A, betting. Option B, lottery. Option C, pending litigations. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, option D, all of the above. Question number 92. Which of the following shall be considered as supply of goods for the purpose of GST? Option A, betting. Option B, lottery. Option C, pending litigations. Option D, all of the above. Option E, both A and B. Correct answer, option E, both A and B. That is betting and lottery. Question number 93. Address of delivery means address of the recipient indicated on the tax invoice. Question number 94. Who amongst the following shall be covered within the meaning of adjudicating authority? Option A, Principal Commissioner. Option B, Deputy Commissioner. Option C, Additional Commissioner. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, option D, all of the above. Question number 95. Agent means a person who carries on the business of supply of on behalf of another. Answer, goods or services or both. Question number 96. Who amongst the following shall be covered within the meaning of agent? Answer, broker, declared reagent, auctioneer, all of the above. Correct answer, all of the above. Question number 97. Which of the following supplies shall be covered within the meaning of aggregate turnover? Option A, taxable supplies. Option B, exempt supplies. Option C, export of goods and services. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, option D, all of the above. Question number 98. Who amongst the following shall be covered within the earning of agriculturist? Option A, individual. Option B, HUF. Option C, body of individuals. Option D, both A and B. Correct answer, both A and B, that is individual and HUF. Question number 99. Agriculturist mention individual or HUF. Who undertakes cultivation of land by? Answer, option A, own labor. Option B, labor of family. Option C, hired labor under personal supervision. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, option D, all of the above. Question number 100. Which of the following supplies made by an agriculturist shall be considered in aggregate turnover? Answer, supplies in respect of other business. I repeat, question number 100. Which of the following supplies made by an agriculturist shall be considered in aggregate turnover? Option A, supplies in respect of cultivation of land. Option B, supplies in respect of other business. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer, supplies in respect of other business. Correct answer, I repeat, option B, supplies in respect of other business. Thank you.